So here we are in Guaro, and today we're gonna enjoy this lovely spring day. Hello, Paul. How are you?
I'm super, really good. Yeah?
Why that?
Why is that? Yeah, I don't know. Nice day, relaxed, clean the house, it's feeling good.
Your dog is having a wee.
She does everywhere.
Okay. Lady. Hola, linda. What is the plant that can't be missing in your garden? Ideal garden.
Salvias.
Salvias.
Yeah, there's lots of different types of salvias. At the moment, that's what I really love.
You can make kind of infusion with salvia, or is
That's one type of salvia, like that salvia or piscianale, which is like the herb, like. But there are so many. There are all sorts of ones. There are some that's like crazy colours, you know? There's a massive blue one, guaranitica, salvia guaranitica.
no idea, darling.
No? It has great big, really deep blue flowers. It's really beautiful. And here it goes. I always love the smell of this. It's a fig tree.
Una higuera.
Huh? Can you smell this kind of this? A little bit of fig in the air.
It's like a soft mint.
Yeah. Sometimes really much my teeth taste, you know, and the flavor.
Yeah. Oh, panchito. Aren't they the same?
No. Feel them. This one's really soft. I mean, they're the same family. Yeah? But they're different plants. This one's really common. It's called Galactitis tomentosa, I think.
Tormentosa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tomentosa, because tomentosa is often when they've got little hairs on them. And so that's called tomento. Yeah? And this is what makes it sort of grey. It's that kind of grey colour. Can you see how it's grey?
What do you mean grey? I don't see
Well,
the
look,
grey
this
color.
is green, and this is grey.
Ah, yeah. See.
And that's because of the little hairs there.
Oh, today, are you going just for the
This one.
spines one?
I don't know, they're the ones that are flowering, aren't they? That's how beautiful. Look at the blue one there. That blue one's fantastic.
Lovely.
There's a massive bunch of that on the way. This is called anchusa.
Anchusa?
Yeah. And
It's lovely.
It's also got like really rough leaves. You can't pick it because the flowers fall off straight away. Look. Can you feel the leaf? It's also really prickly. It's like, I love it. Borage. Do you know borage?
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 I don't know what that is. Borage? No.
Borage is the other blue one, because it's got a light blue star-like flower. Yeah, and you can eat the leaves, you can eat the flowers. They taste like
Really?
cucumber. And it was used as a herb. Even the Roman soldiers used to chew it.
Oh.
Damn.
So say again, what's the name of this plant?
Anchusa.
Anchusa.
Yeah.
This is the Latin word. The Latin name.
Yeah, but I don't know what the name is in. What the common name is, I think in English.
It is very beautiful.
I love the smell. That's real smell of summer
Hinojo.
for me. When it's really strong.
That's
in
edible.
summer. Huh?
That's edible. That's edible.
Yeah. You can use it for cooking, especially when it flowers. You know the little flowers? my friends in Italy who pick all the flowers and dry them, and then you use that to flavour biscuits and alcohol.
Oh,
Yeah?
I didn't know that.
What does aniseed?
Anise.
Anise. This one also, the flowers fall off straight away.
Lovely.
That one is, I'm going to tell you what that one is. Convolvulus alteoides.
Wow, that sounds like a drug.
Yeah, it does because the oides. Alteoides is because it's another type of flower. Do you know malva? It's called altea, and it's got flowers like that. The second name for that. It's sort of flowers like malva. Yeah.
Look,
You
there
were asking me what?
in the fence, this yellow plant.
Would you call that retama?
I don't know. I have a mix of names in my head, so
It's like retama. It's brewed. But you see this one? This is also, you know, we talked about how on that butcher's brew, you know the plant you have that's got those flat green things with the berries coming on it, and I said that they're not leaves, they're branches.
yes.
Yeah? This is similar. Yeah, because look, it has no flower, it has no leaves. So because instead of that, it's the stems which photosynthesize. You get what I mean? It's too complicated.
You're going. No, I understand. Hello.
Oh, there you go. Yeah?
But I thought these green sticks were the
branches.
leaves.
No, they're the branches, but they have the ability to photosynthesize, and normally the ability to photosynthesize isn't in branches, it's in leaves. That's why leaves go brown, and leaves are green and branches are brown.
What's the name of this plant?
This is the pink one? Rumex.
Rumex.
Look, there's a white one.
Oh, lovely.
Huh? Beautiful.
Lovely.
It really is.
This is the white version.
Yeah.
So lovely.
Lady, you're gonna put, look, and they really are different colours. Look, that one's really intensely pink. And then the other one is less pink. There, look, kind of spread out. You see how many different types there are?
That's true.
Yeah? This one is really sort of thick, that one's thick, this one is like between. Lady, you're gonna break your neck.
Wow, so lovely.
It's really beautiful, that one.
There I know this plant,
Yeah?
but like with a darker red.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. That one's there, look, that one's quite,
Pink.
yeah, it's a darker pink.
Yeah.
And even there, as you look across, there's a lighter one and a darker one as well. That's beautiful. Come on! Lady! Don't come too quickly. How's she gonna stop? Give me in! Give me in! Well done.
One? Is it?
Yeah. Look at the steps. Can you recognize
Could it be eaten?
earlier, normally, yeah, look, here, this is when it's little, look. There,
Oh.
see how it looks?
Lovely.
That's really what it tells us all.
I think it can be eaten.
Yep. Even this one's beautiful. This is plantago.
Plantago?
Plantago, yeah.
Is that to make infusion or something
I
like that?
don't know. I really don't know about that.
Lady. What's the name of that?
It's a carrot.
It's a carrot.
Zanahoria. Salache.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So the carrot come originally from that plant?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's called carrot.
I'm impressed. I always like this plant, but I don't know the name.
I don't know what this is. It's again, it's like, you know, it's got no leaves, has it? Look. It really dries out in summer. Also look and see.
Yeah, this is the one I told you before
No.
that I had seen, like with a darker red.
But it must be like the soil or the exposure that changes the colour.
It is so beautiful.
It's white. I mean,
So in few meters we see 3 different colors.
yeah.
So this is the white. The first one was red, and this look like in between. What does it taste like?
It's like sorrel. Do you know sorrel?
No.
The French make a soup out of it. It's like a bitter, like espinacas, but bitter. Yeah? And they make a soup out of it. It's really, really quite a refined taste. I'm not sure if it's this one or it's one that's the same family. It's the same type.
This is Margarita, isn't it?
Type.
What's the name in English?
Margarita.
Ah, the same. ¡Hombre! Salvi. ¿Cómo está, guapísimo?
2 metros.
2 metros.
Tengo miedo.
Ana, ¿qué tal? Bien. Ay, uy. ¡Uy, qué mala leche! What is this? Flumes.
Yeah. I don't know what the common name is in Spanish. Which is
The smell is familiar. So we are arriving to Guaro. Oh, look at that. Oh, lovely.
This is the Lavatera.
This is the white version.
Yeah, there's a pink version as well, isn't there? This one's quite white. It's so beautiful.
It is.
I think we're covered in it.
Oh, look.
Wow.
There are so many.
Yeah.
Ooh, beautiful.
When it starts to spread out. When it starts to spread out. This is one nice.
Ooh. There are so many. How do you say amapola in English?
Poppy.
Poppy. Like Mary Poppins?
No, poppy. P-O-P-P-Y.
Okay. There are some poppies hidden. Sky is beautiful, it is, yes.
In the morning, look at those different colours yellow. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah,
The tones are fantastic.
it is really beautiful.
And also because the light is making the earth redder as well. You know? In the morning, normally in the morning I walk out along that road and then come down across the fields here with the dogs. I've been ignoring you, haven't I?
Totally.
Park or garden.
The river is there.
Yeah. This is the Guaro, which is on the other side. That originally ran through the middle of the village.
Yes.
There, look, you see there? That's where the water comes. You see where the black hole is? There?
Yeah.
That's where the water comes out, where it's bridged over down the street.
So, we have arrived to the town already. Can you show me the flowers that you've got?
Wow, it's a quite nice bunch now. The pink is really good, isn't it?
It is.
The valerian, this is lavatera. Not sure what this is. Is Ami, perhaps? This is a really, really sort of deep, yolky chrysanthemum. What do you call it? You call it a daisy. And these sort of citron yellow thyrsus. It's really lovely. Really, really cool.
What is that?
Latherus. This is like the pea family. Yeah? It's like pea
Yes.
flowers. It's incredible colour. Lady!